welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a blindfold slime challenge again. Danny sabotaged me in the last round. Oh, Danny, can you go get my blindfold?
Yeah.
I don't know why I threw it. I just felt like throwing something.
Hang on. Let me put my slimes up there so I can...
So we've got new ingredients. We've got jewels and glitters this time.
What the heck is that?
And I got another bottle of contact solution because my other one is running out. So, yeah, I think it went into the bathroom because the bathroom is like really, really close. So, go and get my blindfold so we can start this challenge. Okay, guys, so I'm going to cheat since Danny cheated last time. She told me. So, yeah, she's coming back. Okay, you got it?
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna make our slime.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. Do you have glue?
Not really.
Maybe tomorrow my mom or dad can take us to Walmart and we can get a gallon of glue. Here. Okay, so, they can't even see you. We have so much stuff on this table. We're gonna have to clean up when we're done.
Like a lot. We have like 4 slimes.
Yeah.
A few sabotaged.
Okay. Blindfolds. Sit on your butt.
Oh, okay.
Blindfolds on. Oh, I hope I'm... What was that? Okay, I hope I get it in the bowl.
Guys, I'm going to try to make white slime.
And make sure you're getting it in the bowl.
I know.
Okay, that's the shaving cream. Oh, I hope I didn't add too much shaving cream into it. Because if you add too much shaving cream, it won't be glue. Or it won't, yeah, there's like basically no glue if you add too much shaving cream. Okay, I think that's enough, but I'm not sure.
Where'd my spoon go?
Are you just like going for like a plain white slime?
Yeah.
Like no glitter or anything?
Well, I might do some jewels and glitter and stuff.
Okay, oh, that hurt my ears. Okay, what color should I add? I'll add this color to my slime. I hope it's a good color. Oh, it's not coming out. I don't think it is. Okay, there we go. Hopefully.
I hope I got pretty glitter.
I missed the table, or I missed my bowl. Did that touch you on accident? What are you looking for?
The jewels.
Oh, right here. Sorry. Try not to add them all because I still want to use them. Okay, I'm just going to take this back. Okay. It's not coming out. Oh, it was just me adding paint
Oh, I need my spoon.
to my slime.
Okay.
Oh, I hope I get good color, like a good glitter.
I hope I get my white slime. And
I don't even know what color I got. Ew. Ow. You bumped into me. I had glitter in my hand. I hope I'm adding pretty glitters to my slime.
shaving cream.
Dad, what are you doing? I felt my dad. I hope I'm adding good glitters. I hope my glitters are pretty. I felt my dad in front of the camera. Well, I think he was in front of the camera. I'm not sure. Remember, you have to wait to take your blindfold off until I'm finished. What's that? Okay, I'm gonna add some jewels to mine. Okay, I added some jewels to mine. Okay.
Just making sure it's
All my jewels are like
mixed
clumping up
in.
together. Is that what happened to you?
yeah.
I hope I got a good color.
Me too.
Wait, we have white paint in the bucket, so what if I got white paint?
Then not.
That'd be good for you if you got the white paint.
I think my slime is ready.
I'm not, so hang on.
Oh, I got shaving cream on my elbow. Almost ready?
Yeah, hang on. I'm almost done. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow! My slime's pretty.
It looks like a freaking
You need more
black
activator.
web.
You need more activator.
No, I'm good.
I don't know.
It's like a freaking venom came and threw up on my slime.
Look at this. Mine's pretty.
I added so much glitter. It would have been a pretty slime.
I know. If you didn't add paint.
I didn't.
You sure?
I'm positive.
I think you added paint. I heard you squirt paint into your bucket. Or your bowl.
I like this kind.
I need to tell you something.
What?
I cheated.
Kylie! Why?
I added this whole tube and I added some of this and I added black paint and green paint.
Time to next video, we're going to do a non-blindfolded challenge, so neither one of us cheat.
Well, I don't think we're gonna wait till 3 a.m. to do another slime video because I'm running low on glue. I only have one glue bottle left. This one and this, and I don't want to use this. And that one, this is empty, so yeah. We might do a painting video next.
Maybe.
So, time to add all of our slimes together.
Really? Do I have to mix mine all together?
Yep, I am.
I'll mix all 3 of.
All of them.
No, Kylie!
I said all of them because I mixed all of mine.
My beautiful baby purple slime is ruined.
It's fine. You can make some more at 3 a.m. We're not going to make big batches at 3 a.m. because I'm running low on glue, like I said.